Hi there. In today's video, we'll learn the difference between LCM and HCF. So let's start from the separate and simple example of LCM and HCF. Here we have example. So first we find the factor. So the factor of 3 is 1 and itself. And the factor of 6 is 1, 2, 3 and 6. Now we find the common between 3 and 6. So the common of 3 and 6 is 1 and 3. So here we write common number, that is 1 and 3. Now we find the highest number. So as you see, the highest number is 3. So the HCF of 3 and 6 is 3. Now let's move on LCM. So the multiple of 4 is 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and so on. And the multiple of 9 is 9, 18, 27, 36, 45 and so on. So as you see, the common number in both lists is 36. So we can say that the least number of 4 and 9 is 36. So just write the LCM of 4 and 9, which is 36. However, if you have large number and you find the LCM and HCF of number, the previous method is still working. So let's start with 3 factor. So the factor of 24, take any two numbers that are divisible of 24. So I take least number, that is 2. So 2 times 12 is 24. 2 is a prime number, but 12 is not. So we continue factorize it. And again 2 times 6 is 12. Here again 2 is a prime number, but 6 is not. 6 is a composite number. So let's factorize it again, and 2 times 3 is 6. Now the both are prime number. So we can write the factor of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Now for 60, let's split it and take any two numbers that are divisible of 60. So again I take least number, that is 2. So 2 times 30 is 60. So let's factorize it again. And again 2 times 15 is 30. Here 2 is a prime number, but 15 is not. So let's continue. So 3 times 5 is 15. Now the both are prime number. So we can write the factor of 60, that is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So in first step we draw factor tree, and in a second step we identify prime factor. So in the third step we use Venn diagram. So this we have 2 circles because we use 2 number, and we label the diagram first. So the first circle is 24 and the right circle is 80. Each circle the prime factor of that number, and this overlapping area that's going to help us to find the HCF. So 2 is in both lists, so we write 2 in this area, and the second 2 also in both lists, so we write 2 again, and 3 is also in both lists, so we also write 3, and remaining number for left side is 2 and for right side is 5. Well, when you come in this stage, you go straight forward, and we find HCF by multiplying this number, that is 2 times 2 times 3. So 2 times 2 is 4 and 4 times 3 is 12. And LCM can be found by multiplying all this number. So that is 2 into 12 and into 5. Because you already know that 2 times 2 times 3 is 12. So 2 times 12 is 24 and 24 times 5 is 120. So you can say that HCF of both number is 12 and LCM of both number is 120.